with another video. It's your girl Jubilee or Julie. I am back today with a hair review. Got some new hair. Let's get into the ponytail real quick. Let's get into it. Get into it. Get into it. So this is the Hergivenhair Drawstring Ponytail, and this is in the curl Kinky, which is 4B, 4C hair. So I'm letting you know, is this hair worth it? Do I think the quality is good? I'm giving you all the tea and the details about this pony. Is it worth your money? Stay tuned and hear all of the deets about this hair and watch how I wear it and style it over the next couple of days. Let's just get right into it.
It's not that I don't want you here. Yeah. It's something about the way you stare into my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear. I fall for you every time I try to resist you. We can get away. Palm trees, beach views, ordinary day. All I wanna hear is in the visions I replay. Sit right next to you. I try not to show how I feel about you. You wish you away, but you don't really want to. I just wanna get away. Sit right next to you. I wanna kiss you. Yeah, I just wanna feel you. Feel you. I want you around, around. I want you around.
Let's get into the specs of this hair. Again, this is the Drawstring Ponytail from Hergivenhair. This is their kinky hair texture, which is in the 4B, 4C curl type range. I got it in a natural color in 14 inches. The pony has 2 comb attachments, one at the top, one at the bottom, and a drawstring for securing the ponytail to your hair. I decided to do a high bun on my natural hair to go for a more high puff look with the ponytail. The hair is very, very soft and the curls are really springy and bouncy. Okay, so the pony is on. The hair is a little too defined for my liking, so that's why I'm fluffing it at the moment. So I'll probably take a comb and some water to kind of frizz it up because it's a little too like perfect, the ringlets, but it just needs a little bit of shape. Definitely wanted something, a different hairstyle where my hair is up because I've been working out, I've been in the gym. As you can see, I mean, look at these biceps. Like, they don't get like this by themselves. So I'm actually on my way to the gym soon. Yeah, so I wanted to try this out really quickly. It's very light. Like, I'm almost scared this might fly off my head. So I definitely want to make sure it's secure. It's 2 combs that you can stick in the front of your little bun in the back and pull the drawstring tight and then wrap that joint around. It feels like it's secure. And as you can see, I did some little baby hairs and stuff, sideburns, to kind of zhuzh it up. Right now, it looks a little crazy. I feel like I look like I have my retainer in Sideshow Bob right now from The Simpsons. And right here, I feel like, I don't know, like you'll be able to see inside, but this is some really good quality hair because I've been in it a lot and there's no shedding or anything at the moment. We'll see how it does and if there's like any shedding, but so far so good.
Palm trees, beach views, ordinary day. All I wanna hear is in the visions I replay. Sit right next to you. I try not to show how I feel about you. You wish you away, but we don't really want to. I just wanna get away and sit right next to you. I don't wanna kiss you. Yeah, I just wanna feel you. Feel you. I want you around, around. I want you around, around.
good vibes shirt on because today is all about good vibes. I'm gonna run my little errands and it's gonna be a great day. So this is what the hair is looking like. I am loving it so far. It's so effortless. I just pop it on, give it a little fluff, and I'm out the door. This, I've just pretty much will refresh my edges maybe every couple days because now it's holding. Like I did these yesterday, not even today, and I did not need to refresh my edges. We love that. I love that. I love that. But this is the hair, y'all. Looking more natural by the day. And again, this is the Kinky 4B 4C texture, which my hair is 4C to the max. So this kind of looks like my hair. I love it. It's getting more like old, I would say. Not old, but when you first take it out the pack, it kind of really defined curls, and I like when they kind of loosen up and look more frizzy, afro-y. It just looks more natural to me. So that's what I've been doing, just fluffing, and it's been getting more natural like by the day, and spraying that Detangler. I got that from the hair store. It does the job. It smells good, and it also like it softens the hair up, makes it easier to detangle and things like that. So this is not really tangled, but I just like to kind of give it some moisture because it can get a little dry. So definitely want to spray something in it to kind of give it some moisture and shine, and that just makes it look even more natural, and we love that. I've been getting a lot of people too like staring at me the last couple days since I've been wearing this, and at first I was like a little self-conscious because, you know, anytime you get new hair, like you feel, well, for me, I'll feel a little like self-conscious, like you're trying to get used to it. Switching my hair up, I kind of was like, do I like this? Like, I like it, but do I like it? They probably were thinking her hair is bomb, not knowing that this isn't my hair. I would say like the first or second day that I wore this out, I could not like feel it on my head. That's how lightweight it is, and it scared me a little bit because I thought that joint fell off. I was coming from Trader Joe's, and I had to walk to my car. I had 2 bags in my hand that, you know, my hands were occupied. So I could not feel to see if the ponytail was still on my head, and I swore it came off because I was walking in the direction where the wind was hitting me, and it's just so light that you can barely like feel it on your head. So sometimes I'm walking past like cars or mirrors, I'm like checking to make sure this joint is still intact. I probably will start pinning it with bobby pins on the side just to make sure it's actually secure, or just more protection. I feel like I would feel more confident because again, when that wind is whipping. And so I am rambling at this point, but I just wanted to come in and give you an update on this hair, and it hasn't been shedding. That's the thing. You guys see how much I'm like pulling it and fluffing it out. I have not noticed like, oh Jesus, doing that a little too much, but I have not noticed any shedding or any hair coming out when I'm like fluffing it and doing all of the things. So I'll check in again once I am like done up, because I definitely want to try this for like date night. So I'm about to head out. I just did my hair, which took me all of 5 minutes. Oh, that was my tripod. Yeah, did my hair, it took me all of 5 minutes. So yes, I am in love with this hair. Took me no time to get pulled together, snatched together. Let me sit down for a second. I'm about to head out the door. I just wanted to come and show you guys a quick look that I did. Do I think it's worth it? Yes, I think it's worth it. I have loved this hair for about a week. I've been playing with it, and like I was saying in an earlier clip, the older it gets, the better. I haven't washed it yet. This is just fresh out of the satchel here. Played around with a few different products that I showed you guys, the Detangler, and also like an oil mist to give it more shine. And yeah, so it's just something quick and easy. When I don't have time, I can slick my hair up, and it's really easy. It's really easy. I haven't noticed any shedding so far. Again, once I wash it, we'll see how it does, because I really haven't like ran a comb through it or anything like that. However, I did use a comb to kind of give it more volume, which I'll show you guys. So here's it now. I didn't use the comb yet. I'll just like put my hands in it and don't look closely at my nails. I'm getting ready to put some press-ons on. So if you want to give it a little bit more volume, I'll just take a comb, wide tooth, and I'll just kind of go in with it like this. You'll see like how easy it is just to kind of like make it higher if that's your thing. If you want a higher puff, do your thing. So I'll just like refresh my edges here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and that's it. Maybe every couple days or so often. I have a new method now that'll kind of keep them, which I am happy about, because, and let me bring this back down. No one has time to refresh their edges every single day. So if you're interested in that, let me know. Drop a comment below and I'll bring that to you guys. Yeah, so I think this hair is worth it. It is worth your investment. Just something to keep in your arsenal when you need a quick do and you don't have time. My natural hair is not this voluminous. It is not this full. So I, you know, appreciate natural hair that looks like my natural hair that I can wear as my natural hair. So I love it. Until my hair gets like this, I'll be whipping this out. When I am limited in time and just want something to pull together that is quick and easy. Quick and Easy is my middle name. Make sure you check out Hergivenhair. All of the information on this ponytail will be linked in my description below. And I have a coupon code so you can save some money. If you also want to give it a try, I got you. Use code Jubilee, that is Jubolee, to save some money at Hergivenhair for this hair. I believe you won't be disappointed. So if you try this hair, I want to hear about your experience. Let me know. Come back to this video and comment, or you can shoot me a DM on Instagram or what have you. Thank you for being here and watching my videos. I really appreciate it from the bottom of my heart. Leave me a thumbs up, comment, make sure you subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. I got you. Until next time, guys.